Oh, just fish. They come in pairs. Is he still on there?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa.
Nice and easy, Chills.
There we go.
Oh, got the dub. The double hookup.
This one took a nice little run.
That's a tiny one. Oops.
Well, don't let him crush it. Hitting himself into the boat there. All right, Chelsea, see you get that thing off there. Throw him back into the water.
Do I just wiggle it off?
not quite.
I don't want to.
All right, just a minute. We gotta watch your dad get this one here. That looks like a nice fish. Oh yeah, all right. Another couple fine medicine lake trout.
Nice.